Word of mouth is another very important aspect in product adoption process. So in this part 5 of agent based modeling for a consumer market process, we are going to add word of mouth to our model. So the first thing is the disclaimer. So what is basically word of mouth? So it is the way the people persuade others to purchase the product, and for that we have to define a parameter, and basically we will define several parameters here. So the first parameter, it is used to define how it is used to represent how people contact one another. So we will open the diagram of the consumer by double clicking the consumer icon in the main diagram. We will open another diagram of the consumer. Here from the agent palette, we'll add a parameter. We'll call it as contract rate. So let's say that each consumer it meets one consumer makes a one contact per day, and as a result of this contact, uh, the the potential user might adopt the product, and we will represent it by another parameter, which is adoption fraction, which is 1%. So that means that when the users they interact with the potential users, so and with the contact rate of one contact per day, they might influence the potential users to adopt the product, and for that we will use adoption fraction of 1%. So it's another parameter, and it is basically describing the fraction of students who will buy the product upon contact. So now there is a very important thing is the establishing the communication between the agents, and for that we are going to define an internal transition. By that I mean that the agents which are in user state, they will communicate to the potential users without exiting their user state. That means they will still be users, but they will communicate with the potential users. So this is shown by an internal transition, and we will call that transition contract, and that is governed by triggered by a contract rate. And when this transition occurs, they will send a random message. They'll send a message by and to the potential users, and so we'll draw another transition which will be from the potential user to the user state, and we will name it as word of mouth or WOM. So this transition, it will be triggered by a message which is received from the user, and the message is buy. So this transition, it is guarded by the adoption fraction. So okay, and there is a code for it as well, that is random to adoption fraction. So let's try these steps in AnyLogic. So I'll move to the AnyLogic. So here I have already copied the. Okay, one thing more, if you right click your mouse, then you can drag your canvas and right, left, up, down. So for that you have to right click your mouse. So I have already added the instructions here, and it says that open the diagram of the consumer. For that we have to double click this consumer diagram. If I double click it, I'll be in the consumer diagram, and just for the sake of ease, I will copy these instructions here. Okay, so it says open the diagram of the consumer, and then from the palette, this is the agent palette, add a parameter. So this is parameter. I'll add a parameter here, and this parameter, it's called as the contact rate. So I'll call it as contact rate, and this contract rate, it's the type is basically the rate, and it is one contract per day. So units will be per day, and the default value will be 1. So now I've defined a contract rate, and you see that now I'm defining these parameters in the diagram of the agent, the consumer. So because these are kind of the attributes of the agent. So I've defined here a contract rate. Now define another parameter, that when a contract is made, the potential user might adopt the product, and this adoption will be controlled by adoption fraction. adoption fraction. Now because it's a fraction, and it's a number, so we will use the double here, and its default value will be 0.01. Now we have defined the two parameters, contract rate and adoption fraction. So I'll just make these states a little bigger here, and so the things get visible to you. So okay, one thing more. If if I may draw a transition and it is not connecting the states, this arrow becomes red. So this red arrow shows that this is not a complete transition. So for it to be complete, it has to be connected with the appropriate states. So once it's connected with these appropriate dot signs, this shows this has been done. Okay, now we are doing we are now going to show an internal transition. And internal transition means that a user, while still remaining in the user state, it can influence a potential user. So we will use an internal transition. So we will go to this one, the state chart menu. Here we have transitions. So if I double click on the transition, then it becomes a pencil sign, and now I want to draw a internal transition. So I have to draw it in the box, in this state box. So let's just modify it a little bit. So, and if I double click on this internal transition, it shows the points which can be used to mold it to our, you know as per our requirement. So I just made it like this. Now you see this transition, it is in the user state, and it is not and this transition, and just name this transition as contact. That means that this user is contacting a potential user, and it is while still remaining in its original state of user. So that's why it's an internal transition. So this transition here, this one is an external transition, because by using this transition, potential user is being converted to user. So this is an internal transition, and now this transition is basically, it is triggered by a rate. So we have already named it. Let's also show it here. So it's contact. So just kind of, just for the sake of you know, presentation, contact. Now it is triggered by the second option is triggered by, and we will call it as, so we will choose here the option of triggered by rate. So as discussed in the previous videos, that when we choose rate, originally it's timeout transition. When we choose rate, if the clock, it is replaced by a graph sort of a thing. So it is triggered by a contact rate, and the rate is already defined as 1 per day. And what happens, what are the actions, is when this transition occur, it it sends a message to it tries to influence the agents in the potential user to buy. So it will send a message to the random to send the message to the uh, potential users to buy. So we will do it by writing a code here, send to randomly select the users, and so it randomly select the potential users, and we will send this message of buy. Okay, so now this is the send to the random buy. So now we will add here another transition, and this transition will be from potential user to the user. Now this transition, what's happening here, when the user it is contacting a potential user and sending a message of buy, then some of the potential users, some of the, not all, some of the potential users will come to the user state. So we have shown it with a transition, and we have called it as the word of mouth. Now word of mouth uh, is converting the it is converting it converting the users converting the potential users from to the user state, and we are showing its name here. So it's word of mouth. Now once it's done, so it is triggered by, when this transition occurs, it is not triggered by a timeout, rather it is triggered by a message that we typed earlier to buy, and the message was buy. And there are, like, when we select buy, the it asks about how it is fired. So we are firing it on a particular message, and the message is buy. And the action, this transition is guarded by it is guarded by an adoption fraction. So we will write a code for the guard, and the guard is that random true, and this is guarded by adoption fraction, which we defined earlier as, okay, as 1%. So just build the model, see. Okay, now you see there are three errors here. So let's see what are those three errors. Okay, now it was a false message, so no errors here. So I'll just, so the model is built successfully. So just to sum up the steps, we have added internal transition in the user state. Through this internal transition, the user, while still remaining in the user state, it is contacting the potential users and giving and sending them a message buy. So we have, if I just click on the on the contact, so it is sending a random to set is it is sending a message buy randomly. And when this message is received at potential user to the potential users, some of the potential users will come to the user state, which is shown by this transition, which is the word of mouth. And this transition is triggered by the message buy, and this transition is basically guarded by, because we by adoption fraction. That means not all the potential users which receive this message will come to the user state. It's about 1% of the potential users, they will come to the user state. So that's all for this phase. Now if I just save it, and before saving there is there's an asterisk on on the top of 5. Now it's gone, so this shows that it's saved now. So let's run this model and see how our simulation looks now. Okay, there's one thing I have to close it. Now I told you earlier as well that when we copy something here in the agent diagram, it also gets copied on the main diagram. So I will just delete it from the consumer diagram so it does not get duplicated here. Now you can see again there is a asterisk near 5, so I have to save it. So it's gone. Now run it, and when you run it you will see the simulation. Okay, so just run it. So I can run it at the as far I can run it as fast as possible. So now it's in the virtual mode. Now you can see how the potential users are becoming users now when they come across two things. One was the advertisement that had some ad effectiveness. Now we have also added the effect of the word of mouth. So this is how this simulation now how this is how the market is behaving. Okay, it's done now. So just to give you an idea that what word of mouth what is the effect of the word of mouth, I'll just go to, we have already seen these steps. So now you can see here that what happens that when there was advertisement but no word of mouth, and now we have added word of mouth plus the advertisement. So you can see the market saturation. So how quickly the market is saturating now. Before it was taking some time, but it's this saturation is now uh, it is it has picked up the speed. So the word of mouth along with the advertisement, it is it is increasing the product adoption. So that's all for part 5. In the next video we will discuss another important aspect, that is the product discard. So what happens when the product life cycle ends? So when this happens, the user falls back to the potential user state. And finally, do not forget to practice along by downloading the AnyLogic. So I will see you in the next part. Stay tuned. Thank you.